Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. It's about 8:45 a.m. on Sunday morning, March 23rd, 2025. Hang on. Well, I might have messed up my shirt. You're supposed to take these things off before you go working in the aquaponics and small aquaponics setups that I had set up in 10-gallon and 20-gallon fish tanks next door in the other room. The other room is pretty much mostly empty. I got a couple things in the closet that I need to get out so I can strip the carpet out of there. Get the carpet out of there, get the tile off the floor, paint the walls, and then put new flooring in. The question is, what flooring do I want to put in? I got some little 1 foot square tiles, I got some linoleum, and then I've got some laminate fake wood panels I could put down on the floor in there. I haven't decided which. Probably going to go with the little square tiles. I'm pulling those things up anyway. I can just put new ones down. I haven't decided yet. But right now, I still got to get the carpet up off the floor and stuff out of the closet. It's all in the living room. The stuff that is worth selling and what isn't worth selling pretty much went into a trash bag, and it's sitting next to the door. I don't want to put it out there on my pile of stuff. Oh, the dresser drawer and the little uh, cabinet that I had all my ammo in, it's out the door on the front curb. Like I said, I got a closet in there I got to figure out. Uh, yeah, bunch of it is camping gear. Part of me wants to pack it all up and send it to the Philippines because I like camping and I will go camping right on the beach if nothing else. But then again, what's the value? None in this shirt anymore, though. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I can write this one off. It's long sleeve and coming up on spring. Yeah. Oh, hang on. It's already spring, isn't it? I don't remember. Anyway, it's somewhere along in here. So official spring. Of course, we'll probably get a good freeze. My plum tree, no, pear tree, has got all kinds of blooms on it. I probably got 750, 1,000 blooms on that tree out there. And if it doesn't, I might end up with a bunch of pears. Probably should knock a bunch of them off so that it doesn't, but I don't know. Be nice to take and get a bunch of them to pop off this year. Had a couple last year, but not that many. Less than 100. Probably less than 50, really. Uh, Same thing with the apple tree. I only got like 25 of them off the apple tree last year, and the other one hadn't put out any for me to get yet. Be nice if it was to haul off and actually make apples. The other one, I got 2 apples in the pear. Had a lot more, but it's hard to get a tree to grow up here. If you don't tend to them and make sure they get a good start, they most likely will die. I got one apple tree back there that Jack, my dog, liked eating it. There might be a reason I said AKA Jack, AKA Ahmed the Terrorist Puppy. Dog tore that tree up 3 different years in a row. It's so stunted, it's at least 5 years behind the other one. Yeah, we'll see. Kind of miss the idea of getting to see these really come to fruiting right and being adult trees. I planted them, but I guess that's the thing. Old men plant trees upon which they will never get to enjoy the shade of or the fruit of so that young folks can. Hopefully they don't just chop it down and, be stupid, but we'll see. I dropped my basket for my air fryer and the handle broke off. Yesterday I went and started my microwave and it started making sparks up inside of it. Makes me wonder, am I supposed to go buy new stuff right now? I mean, a microwave. I think I got one in the garage somewhere. Haven't got rid of that's still in usable condition. I think I put it out. No, it's in my storm shelter. Yeah. I think it's a little 600-watt one. Doesn't do real good for cooking and such, but it'll warm most stuff up. That's really all I use it for around here. I use one at the job. It's 1,500 watt, and that thing cooks. That's what we use it for, is cooking, breakfast. But yeah, all my appliances are dying. What's up with that? Hey, excuse me. Anyway, been busy this morning, and I carried some of my pantry. I got one of my closets emptied out. Carried it over to this gal and gave it to her. She didn't have enough room in her car for all of it, or in her back end for all of it. So they're going to have to get some of it again today or tonight. Uh, Food's a good thing to pass to somebody. I'd hate to throw it all in the trash can. I'm hoping I can eat what I've got left here. I think I still got some out in my storm shelter, and one more bit in my garage. Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but it's not good to get hungry. And yeah, I'd rather be overweight than underweight. Underweight's not good for you, almost as much as being overweight. But having been hungry before, I don't like being hungry. Might be why I keep so much food around. I like food. I've said that before. Uh, anyway, got a couple things I need to get to my niece, and a couple of them I need to get to my nephew. Uh, Probably need to get those out over to my aunt's house where they can pick them up next time they come through. I'm not sure I'm going to be here when they come through next. Hopefully I'll be able to take and give it to them in person, but hey, it is what it is. That's a hazard of family here in America. It's all spread out all over the country. And that's kind of a good thing here in the Philippines, even though it gets spread out over the country. The whole country there is the size of Texas. So yeah, it's a bit of room, and you have to actually travel. But when you look at the whole of the U.S., Texas isn't that big. Well, it is, but yeah. But when you get all spread out all over the place, that's something the Philippines has. The family there is a lot closer, a lot tighter, and that's a good thing. It's one of the reasons I'm up here. I got some family that's close. Anyway, I've got some pork uh, roast in the air fryer. I'm gonna try to Boston butt pork roast, and gonna get that all cooked up. And sometime in about an hour or so, it's gonna take a while for that thing to cook. I got it down at 300, so it's slow cooking, but it's air fryer, so slow air frying. I don't care if it gets a little tough on the outside. I want to make sure the inside's cooked. That's important with pork, especially. Boy, this week has been a productive one. Uh, it is what it is. Oh, I did manage to get a code for the bike class, but they ain't having that until the next one's till something April. Hoping I'm going to be able to get that. I got to go schedule an appointment time with the department of the DMV for sometime in late April or May and get my driver's license to me. My question is do I use my anytime mailbox or do I use my aunt's address? I'm not sure which one I want to go with. Part of me wants to go with my aunt's because that's right here and I'm used to it. You know, I'll probably do that. Because, well, I don't know about you, but I'm a Texan and my family is family, and pretty much anywhere they are, I consider that to be a residence for me. It's family. Uh, you know, it's kind of like with my aunt. She gets mail here. Not much, but on occasion. Dang. Oh, let me get this thing off. Probably should have took it off before I started banging it around. I hope the get it charged up before I go to sleep. Only takes a couple hours. Uh, yeah, that'll do it. It's about 25%. It'll charge. Anyway, I hope you all have had a blessed day. Your weekend was a good one. I hope you had a lot of friends, food, and family. And again, maybe more food for everybody. I'm tired. Still got a little in there I got to get out. So I got to get that closet finished off so I can pull the carpet. Try to get that done before my food gets done. Get that done and jump into a shower real quick because I can tell you, yeah, the shirt, all of me. Like I said, I probably shouldn't have did that to my shirt. Well, I hope you all have had a wonderful day. I know that I've been a busy one. Lots of friends, lots of food, lots of family. And hey, I hope it's a good one for you. Enjoy your weekend and may your week be easy. I'm William, Williams Philippines. I'm Fish, and Fish is